Barrage, check him. See killer boss. See boss,
Yeah, my boss. See down here, see down here. See that? Rich. Yeah, my boss. Hear the question now, right? What is easy to get into and hard to get out of?
Like with people, to me. You see, my personality is somebody, you know, easy to get in at them, like Western Kingston, Barrage. You see, ordinary. Like whole town we parade. Everybody, Matches Lane, Loot Lane, Tivoli Garden, everybody know Barrage. Every entertainer, big up to God.
I have one more, my boss. One more before you cut, right?
Yeah.
What can you hold in your left hand, but not in your right hand?
Well, you win that one day. It can be many things.
Like what?
Can be many things. Like if you hold your whole thing, like say if you hold a little fire in your hand, you can't touch your next hand with it. For that a bun. Everything is different these days. Like so, camera is on, CVM, drone over your head, Barrage, you're deaf.
So watch on the boss, one more left you know. Listen to that one you're good enough. If B-O-N-E a bone, right? And T-O-N-E a tone, how you spell phone?
Right, you don't know. You see spelling, a mismatch. So you spell that, show them. By your teacher.
A mismatch?
Yeah.
You see, you don't know that one there?
No, must be mad in. Barrage. You're deaf. Barrage. Western Kingston Novice.
Alright, my boss.